Hello you guys, welcome back. Today, as you saw in the description, I'm gonna be packing. So this is a beginner's video when it comes to packing for a road trip because I have no experience. This is my second time ever packing for a road trip, but actually the first time that I put thoughts on it. So basically it's my first time if we really want to go to in-depth. So if this is something that you are interested in, keep watching. So like I said, I'm gonna be explaining or basically showing you exactly my process when it comes to packing, starting with the list, what I pack, what I don't, how and why I do it. Pretty much in detail my process, my thinking process on how I do the packing. That way I don't miss anything. But yeah, it's gonna be a voiceover video for the most part because it's easier. Just record everything and then we'll do a voiceover. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that I do is check the weather because hey, it's still spring and I'm not in the mood to be freezing cold or wet where I'm gonna be in. So yeah, this is the first thing that I do every time I travel, not only for this road trip. The second thing that I do, this is new because I never done this before. This is recent. So make a list of the items that I'm gonna be bringing with me. Here are the snacks. I work by day when it comes to fashion. If you haven't noticed, I love fashion. If you're following me on Instagram, you know by now that I love fashion. So I'm doing the outfits by day instead of a list. It helps me to organize myself and what I'm gonna be wearing every day. So this is my travel bag. If you can see, it has a lot of labels. I don't like to remove them because it reminds me of the traveling that I've done. That's the luggage that my hubby or husband is gonna be using for his stuff because he's very practical. I like to have options. You're gonna see here I like to pack at least 2 different items. For example, leggings. If I want to wear leggings, I like to pack at least 2 of them. With the same with sweaters or shoes. You will see here. I like to have options just in case I don't feel like wearing the thing that I originally wear. And this is it, you guys. This is it. I'm just kidding. So here is the list. I run down from the through the list a couple of times. So just do a mark or basically going over what I have already in the luggage or suitcase. In this case, yes, tennis. This is how sneakers are. That's how you say sneaker in Spanish. Tennis. So yeah. Now snacks. It's a long road trip. It's over 7 hours. So I like to be prepared. I'm gonna grab a few things. I'm not gonna bring the entire kitchen with us. So I'm gonna do some sandwiches. I know Cheese Whiz is not the ingredients are not good ingredients or real ingredients, but hey, it is what it is. It's just one time. It's not everyday item. This is for hobby. He likes to do a sandwich with a pita bread instead of regular pita. That is Black Forest ham. Now I'm gonna do a regular sandwich with butter, cheese, the same black for this ham, just in case I get the munchies. Some nuts, because they are very, very filling, so I'm gonna be packing different options, hazelnuts, almonds, that way I don't get bored, because I get bored very, very easily. So 2 packs of hazelnut, 3 packs, because I did just do what it was remaining. The sandwiches, the one with the black forest ham. I'm obsessed with seaweed snacks. I don't know who I am. Who am I? Who am I? I don't know what's going on with me. I never thought about loving or eating seaweed as a snack. But yeah, this is the actual travel fridge. I don't know how to call this. Let me know down in the comment. How do you call that? I'm gonna just put that in there. I'm gonna put the waters. I'm gonna grab also Coke Zero for the run. That way it's easier in the morning. I just put the drinks and that's it in the morning. So last but not least, when it comes to kitchen stuff, my supplements. I mean, hello. I need my enzymes because ain't nobody got time for that and having tummy issues. Over there, my Trin, my BCAA chocolate, oh, so good. And my goal, God knows, I'm gonna need the energy. So yeah, those are the supplements that I'm gonna be packing. At least in this bag, I know, but hey, I still have stuff in boxes, so. And going over again one more time on the list. Just double checking everything. These the toiletries, like I said, they are gonna be in the morning. And now let's get serious. This is what I had, and for the magic on the TV, here's everything folded. I'm not an expert, so don't come for me. I like to obviously put the shoes on the separate side. So this is a second pair of sneakers. I don't think I'm gonna wear it, but hey, this socks goes all the way up to the knee, so probably I'm gonna wear them. These ones, I'm not sure. I know they are cashmere. I like to keep them on the Ziploc bag, that way it doesn't get ruined. I know, very bougie. My Uggs, I know, 2 pairs of boots, like you saw. My slippers, they are going in the morning in here. This is all my supplements, like you saw. Also some intimate or girl stuff. My toothpaste, my toothbrush, another cap, my sweaters, my 2 cashmere sweaters, again on their Ziploc, that way they don't get ruined. This is a dress, also cashmere. I know, don't come for me, I love cashmere, don't blame me. This is like for layering. I know the second day, like I said, it's gonna be very, very cold. I'm gonna be packing this. I'm gonna grab my coat, but just in case. This is a regular jacket, 2 pajamas. This is a second option when it comes to bags. 2 pairs of jeans. Probably, I probably won't wear them, but just in case I have them there. My undies, if you know, you know. If you're a girl, you know what is there. I don't have to comment a lot. Gloves, better have them and don't need them. The leggings, oh my god, these leggings, if you saw my last live, you know about this legging. I love them. I already wear the black one. I'm gonna link them down below because they are soft as butter. So comfy. And last but not least, what I'm putting on my actual purse or backpack, my AirPods. I don't leave any my house without them. Sanitizer, my keys, my wallet, charger, very important. This cable comes with all the adapters in one. I don't have to carry a bunch of cables, just one with all of the adapters. And my battery pack. last but not least, my sleeping pills or supplement because they are natural. And that's it. So this is it, you guys, for today's video. I hope you like it. Yeah, I have a cameo over here, Mr. Dinosaur. Everything is packed and put away. I'm only missing toiletries, the skincare, just because I don't have travel toiletries, and I do take the full, yeah, I'm gonna take the full size skincare items, so that's I'm gonna pack it in the early morning after I'm done washing my face. And that's pretty much it. I hope you love this type of video. Like I always say, sharing is caring, and don't forget, be kind to yourself. See you next time. Bye.